So when we talk about maintaining your deck, first thing we got to do is look at the deck. Treated wood decks, if that's what you have or that's what you're looking to build, and you like doing work on your home, having a treated deck is a great way to go. You are going to have some maintenance on it. After it's built, 6 months minimum after it's built, you can stain it. You can get with some companies that are amazing and have great products, and can help you through that process. But you are going to stain or steel that treated wood deck about every 2 years with a good power wash. You get into your composite materials with aluminum rails, and you're just not doing maintenance to it. You might hose it off if you spill something on it, or some pollen gets on it or something. But that's really all you have to do when you have a composite deck.